for a thunderstorm with us.
Okay, we gotta get snacks and we gotta go downstairs.
Wait,
okay.
why downstairs?
Because it's a thunderstorm. And we have
It's not a thunderstorm.
and we got a blanket.
It's just a thunderstorm, not a tornado.
Yeah, but it's always safe. Okay, we're going downstairs.
We're not going downstairs.
Well, yes we are.
Really?
Yes.
We're taking the kitten then.
Yeah, we can take her. Okay, we gotta go get snacks. Come on, let's go.
This cat.
Come on.
This cat, bro.
Guess what? We got some of the funfetti cupcakes.
Okay.
Do you want to bring those down? What? Okay. Oh, pillows. Oh my gosh. My mom ate all of them. There's only one left. I'm like,
Bro.
I'm bringing the cat. It'll be safer up here. Okay. Here's one in here, and then I'll get some peanut butter. Okay, we got some peanut butter. Let me get a spoon. You want a spoon too?
Sure.
Okay.
Why are we bringing peanut butter exactly?
As a snack. But okay, let's go downstairs. You hold the.
I'm cleaning the tip.
Okay, you hold the snacks and the spoons, and I'll carry these down. Here, you want me to hold the iPad? I'll carry the. Yeah, I'll carry. Okay, we're going downstairs. Okay.
What about drinks? We'll bring drinks.
We can come back up. We'll come back up. It's so dark, bro. I can't even. Oh my gosh.
Follow me.
We're going downstairs. I don't think you guys can really see. Help! This is terrifying. Help!
Oh god, this is actually terrifying.
Oh my god. Okay.
Here, turn them. I've got it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we made it down
The
here,
lights aren't that good,
but you can see.
it's whatever.
We have
The
toy.
power goes out. So yeah.
Then we have a flashlight. I'm gonna turn it on. Or
You got the flashlight?
no. I gotta put it on, but we'll do that later. Now we gotta go up and get drinks.
Yeah.
We gotta move this litter box
No, we don't.
because it's like so big. I can't. Okay. Water is always the. Okay, get something you want. I'll get my Coke. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Wait, kiwis.
Oh yeah, kiwi.
You want to bring some kiwi? Okay.
You get half and I get half.
Wait, where's our kiwis? Hold on. Mom, where's the kiwis?